How are parallel lines used in real-world situations? Imagine walking down a busy street or watching a train pass by. Have you ever wondered how those straight lines stay perfectly apart without ever crossing? That's where parallel lines come into play. They are pairs of lines that run side by side and never meet, no matter how far they extend. This idea from algebra and geometry helps us organize and design many things around us. For example, think about railway tracks. The two rails are parallel lines. They keep the train wheels aligned so the train moves smoothly without slipping off the track. The sleepers, which are the horizontal supports under the rails, are also placed parallel to each other, making sure everything stays stable and balanced. Without parallel lines, trains could derail or become unsafe. Road markings are another common use. The lines separating lanes on highways are parallel. They help drivers stay in their own lanes, making driving safer and more organized. Double yellow lines in the middle of the road are also parallel, showing that cars should not pass each other. These lines keep traffic flowing smoothly and prevent accidents. Electrical wires along streets are arranged in parallel lines. This setup keeps the wires evenly spaced, reducing the risk of electrical interference or accidents. It also makes maintenance easier because workers know exactly where the wires are running. In building design, walls, floors, and ceilings often have parallel edges. This creates rectangular rooms that are easy to furnish and decorate. Windows and shelves in furniture are also made with parallel lines, helping objects stay aligned and look neat. Sports fields use parallel lines to mark boundaries and lanes. On a soccer field, the sidelines and goal lines are parallel, helping players and referees judge positions clearly. Basketball courts have parallel lines for the free throw and three-point areas, making the game fair and organized. Pedestrian crossings, like zebra crossings, have white stripes that are parallel. These stripes guide pedestrians safely across busy roads, making crossing easier and reducing confusion. Even everyday objects like rulers, bookshelves, and cricket stumps have parallel edges. These lines help objects keep their shape and function properly. Knowing how parallel lines work helps in designing and building things that are balanced and easy to measure. Since they never meet, they provide a simple, predictable structure that makes construction and planning more straightforward. This is why understanding parallel lines is so helpful in areas like architecture, engineering, transportation, and even interior design. They help keep our world organized, safe, and efficient.